I have big news. I'm now a YouTube partner. Hello and welcome back to my channel. My name is Onyeka Adidayo. I'm a full stack marketer and community builder. If this is your first time landing on this channel, make sure to hit the subscribe button. All right, we are now in Q2. I did a video in Q1 sharing like some of my expectations, some of the things that I want to achieve using YouTube in 2026. And I want to tell you like, okay, where we're at, what we've been able to do, and what you should expect in Q2. So first and first, I became a YouTube partner. I'm not monetized yet though, but I'm still very, very close. And I'm super excited about being a YouTube partner because now it allows me to offer you more stuff. Example, memberships. Yay! Memberships are live. And what does memberships give you? I really thought through what I wanted to offer via memberships because I didn't want people to sign up to join the membership program and they do not benefit anything from it. So I added some custom perks and I gave it two levels. So let us get started with what these two levels are. The first is the starter kit. The most popular question I get on this channel: how do I get a remote job? Some persons go as far as sending me a DM via Telegram, WhatsApp, different platforms. But I finally decided that okay, I want to solve this problem via memberships. So I'm giving you two categories. The starter kit. Under the starter kit, you have the opportunity to personally audit your career, see where you are, and then I give you personalized recommendations, and I also give you like some resources that you can read up on or watch just to ensure that you have a clear trajectory for your career. So under the starter kit, you're going to get the free career audit. You're going to get access to the member chat rooms. You're going to get priority replies in the comment section. You're also going to get emojis, badges, all those cute stuff. Yeah. Now for the growth pack, I have added some more things. So in the growth pack, you're going to get everything in the starter kit, and then I've also added some interesting stuff. First, you get one-on-one access to me for mentorship. So think, what is that career challenge? And bring it to me. I'm going to help you solve it. And I'm also giving you a free personal branding resource. That's not all. You get access to members only live streams, members only videos, and all of that. And trust me, I'm going to make it worth your while. So that is that on the YouTube membership program. Now let's move on to some of the other things that you're going to be seeing in Q2. First, I have started one-on-one training. So many people reach out to me. Either do you teach? I don't want to join cohort classes. I want full access to you one-on-one. I want to be able to ask you questions and things like that. Well, your prayers have been answered because I have just opened my doors to one-on-one trainings. So you want to learn things like SEO, content writing, YouTube growth, and monetization. I have a training page on my website that you can use to easily book whatever session that you want with me, and you get to customize your module. That is the best part. So if you do not want to take the entire class, you can customize your module to what you actually want to learn, right? So go ahead, check it out, and book your training. Let us start off teaching you and helping you become the best version of yourself and making money online. Finally, we are going to be doing more of practical videos in Q2. Remember I told you in the beginning of the year, I am executing like crazy and I'm doing videos taking you with me along this journey of execution, right? So expect more videos like that. And also, I'm still niching down on growth marketing. I've had my hands in the deep dark waters of growth marketing, covering so many aspects, and it's getting more and more interesting. I'm also doing like media buying, so figuring out how to run ads and things like that. But I would like to hear from you. What have you been up to? What are the focus areas that you have for Q2? Let me know in the comment section, and as usual, I may have a resource for you. So this is everything for today. Bye.